Oh my god, 50% off on Nike Jordan? I need to buy this. What? Bank balance is just 3,723.23 rupees? How is it even possible? Where did all my salary go? It's just 20th of this month. Rent, EMI, groceries, unnecessary shopping. Oh god, no savings this month too. How to break out of this paycheck to paycheck cycle? That's because this cycle isn't just financial, it's psychological. Your brain is wired into what behavioral scientists call a scarcity loop. And the more you're stuck in it, the harder it becomes to save money or plan ahead financially. But here's the good news, you can rewire it. Today, we will show you the science behind the scarcity mindset and 3 powerful shifts that can help you finally escape it. And stick around till the end because we will also share 5 simple daily habits that will help you not just escape the trap but build lasting financial freedom. Trust me, bro, you don't want to miss this. Visualize this, bro. It's the first week of the month. Salary hits your account, and instantly your brain kicks into overdrive. Rent, groceries, EMIs. You're scribbling numbers, juggling expenses, feeling like you're running on fumes. But here's the catch, bro. You're so locked in on today's bills, saving for tomorrow doesn't even cross your mind. That's not laziness, that's scarcity mindset in action. Back in 2010s, economists Sendil Mullayanathan and Elder Shafid discovered this. When people feel they don't have enough, whether it's money, time, or resources, two things happen. Number one, your attention narrows only to what feels urgent. Number two, your brain's bandwidth gets drained, meaning you lose the mental energy for long term planning, problem solving, even resisting temptations. This creates a scarcity trap. You're so busy putting out today's fires, you can't prepare for tomorrow. To understand this better, bro, just imagine it's the last day of the month. Your bank balance is low. Every rupee feels critical. Then you see a 500 rupees dinner offer online. Logic says skip it. But your brain, exhausted from weeks of stress, whispers, you deserve this. You hit harder, and just like that, the money trap tightens. Less money, more stress. Repeat. So, what should I do? How can I break this loop? How should I get out of this paycheck to paycheck cycle? I want to become rich. I want to become financially free. Good question, and here's the answer by rewiring your mindset. In the next segment, let's break down 3 powerful shifts to escape scarcity thinking once and for all. The research studies has clearly shown that your brain can be rewired, and the studies also prove that there are 3 powerful mindset shifts that can break you out of paycheck trap and put you in control of your financial destiny. Let's see how. The scarcity trap hits the hardest when you have no margin. Think of your brain like a phone stuck at 1% battery. It panics. But the research in behavioral finance has shown that even a small buffer, like automating 2 to 3% of your salary into savings, reduces mental load. That little cushion frees up decision making power and gives your brain the space to plan better. Here's how you do it, bro. Set up an auto transfer of 500 rupees on payday into a separate account. You will barely notice it's gone, but your brain will relax knowing there is a cushion. That little slack is your escape hatch. When scarcity takes over, your mind zooms in only on what's missing. Studies in behavioral finance have proven that gratitude flips that script. By focusing on what you already have, your perspective widens and the constant stress of not enough begins to fade. It's not philosophy, it's neuroscience at work. Rises at the end of every week, bro. Write down 3 financial wins, even small ones, like skipping a food delivery and cooking at home, or eating a savings transfer. Suddenly, you will stop seeing yourself as broke and start seeing the progress. Scarcity whispers, this is your fate, you will never change. But decades of research in behavioral psychology on growth mindset proves otherwise. People who believe they can improve actually do. That belief fuels consistent action, and over time, those actions compound into wealth. In other words, mindset alone can change your financial destiny. So, bro, instead of saying I'm bad with money, flip it to I'm learning to manage money better each month. That tiny reframe feels small, but it shifts your identity. You stop being a victim of money and start becoming the driver. Together, these three rewires slack, gratitude, and growth mindset are scientifically proven to cut tunnel vision, restore mental bandwidth, and put you back in control of your financial destiny. And here's the cool part, bro. Practice this mindset shifts and your life flips for better. Slack helps you save without stress. Gratitude keeps you focused on progress, and growth mindset makes you believe you can break free. Together, they don't just take you out of paycheck to paycheck cycle. They build the mindset that drives lasting wealth. That's real freedom, bro. Ah, okay. This sounds impactful, but shifts alone will take time to come into effect, right? Actually, I think I need some actionable daily habits that I can follow to break this cycle immediately for good. Great question, bro. Let's stop the theory for now and let's get practical. Here are 5 simple habit shifts you can actually start today to hardwire yourself for financial freedom. Alright, let's get tactical, bro. No jargon, no heavy lectures, just 5 simple habits backed by behavioral research that can pull you out of paycheck to paycheck grind. Automate savings on payday. Even if it's just 500 rupees, set it aside automatically. The trick is you save even before you get a chance to spend. Consolidate bills and payments. Bundle them together so you don't miss deadlines and avoid late fees. Less mental load, less money leak. Pre plan meals and essentials. Trust me, is once underrated. It kills those last minute food orders and impulse trips to the store. Use if then rules. For example, if I get a bonus, then I will save 50% immediately. It's like giving your brain a shortcut to smarter money moves. Daily 2-minute money check in. Just a quick glance at your expenses or bank balance keeps you aware without stressing you out. These tiny tweaks free up your mental bandwidth, stop impulsive spending, and lay down the foundation for real wealth. It's not about giant leaps, it's about stacking small, smart moves until the game changes. Oh wow, how it makes all the sense. These don't feel scary at all. Starting from today, I will start practicing this daily. Finally, feels like I've got a way to break this cycle. So here's the bottom line. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about income, it's about mindset. The rich aren't magically smarter, they escape the trap because they build slack, reframe scarcity into abundance, and importantly, systemize habits that protect their money. So if this video opened your eyes, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with that friend who's always broke by the 20th of each month. You know exactly who I'm talking about, right? Seriously, guys, if you don't want to end up broke like me by 20th of every month, hit like and subscribe to Think Rich with Vishak. Let's escape this trap together.